Good morning children. Today we are going to start with chapter symmetry, pattern and net. So as you already have studied chapter symmetry in class 4, so you are already having the concept what symmetry is. Symmetry is when one shape is exactly like other when you fold it, flip it or turn it. Suppose I have this isosceles triangle. This is isosceles triangle in which two sides of the triangle are equal. These two. Isosceles triangle is a triangle in which two sides of the triangle are equal. Now what will happen if I fold this isosceles triangle like this? You can see it exactly overlap. It is exactly overlapping its own shape. Now when I unfold it, you can see one line is formed in between. This line is called as line of symmetry. This is a vertical line. So this is a vertical line of symmetry as drawn on the board. This is an isosceles triangle and this line is vertical line of symmetry. Why? Because when you fold this isosceles triangle, these two sides will exactly overlap each other. So this is a vertical line of symmetry. What will happen if I keep this isosceles triangle like this? Now again when you will fold it like this, you can see again it is overlapping its own shape. So this line which is formed now, this line is known as horizontal line of symmetry as drawn on the board. This is horizontal line of symmetry. This is again the same isosceles triangle. When it is folded, you get the same, it exactly overlaps its own shape. So this line of symmetry is known as horizontal line of symmetry. In symmetry, we have the concept of reflection also. This part is exactly same as this. So this line of symmetry has many other names. This line of symmetry is also known as mirror line. This line of symmetry is also known as axis of symmetry. Why it is known as mirror line? Because when you will keep a mirror here, you will get the reflection of this part as this. So this line of symmetry is known as mirror line. Now this is only one line of symmetry. This shape, isosceles triangle, was having only one line of symmetry. Can you guess any other shape having two lines of symmetry? Yes. What is this? This is a rectangle. Now when you fold it like this, see it is exactly overlapping. So this is horizontal line of symmetry, and when you fold it like this, then also it is overlapping. So it is vertical line of symmetry. Therefore you can say rectangle is a shape having two lines of symmetry, horizontal as well as vertical. Can you guess any other shape having more than two lines of symmetry or three lines of symmetry? Yes. What is this? This is an equilateral triangle. What was this? Isosceles triangle having two sides equal. Now this is an equilateral triangle having three sides equal. When you fold it like this, see it is exactly overlapping. This is one line of symmetry. Now when you fold it like this, this is one more line of symmetry. See, it is exactly overlapping. One more line of symmetry, and when you fold it like this, third line of symmetry, you can see 3 lines are formed along the 3 vertex of the triangle. One line to the midpoint of other side, vertex to midpoint, another vertex to midpoint, another vertex to midpoint. So 3 lines are formed in this equilateral triangle. These lines are known as lines of symmetry of equilateral triangle, or you can also call it as axis of symmetry. Can you guess any other shape having 4 lines of symmetry? Yes. What is this? A square. A square. This square is having 4 lines of symmetry. I'll show you how. Once I'll fold it like this. See, it is exactly overlapping. 1 line of symmetry. This is horizontal. Now again I unfold it and fold it along its vertical line. See, 1 more lines of symmetry. It is vertical lines of symmetry. Now you can also fold it along its diagonal like this. So square is a shape having lines of symmetry along its diagonals also. You can see it is exactly overlapping. And 1 more diagonal, as square is having 2 diagonals like this. See, it is exactly overlapping. So square is a shape having 4 lines of symmetry. One horizontal, 1 vertical, and 2 along its diagonals like this. Children, can you guess a shape having 4 lines of symmetry? Yes. What is this? This is a square. When you fold it along its horizontal axis like this, see, it is having horizontal line of symmetry like this. It is exactly overlapping it. So it is having horizontal line of symmetry like this. Now when you fold it like this along its vertical axis, you can see again it is exactly overlapping. So it is having a vertical lines of symmetry like this. Now square can be folded along its diagonals also like this. See, it is exactly overlapping. So it is having what line of symmetry along its diagonals also, to other diagonal like this. So square is a figure having 4 lines of symmetry. Children, I have already shown you figures having 1 line of symmetry, 2 lines of symmetry, 3 lines of symmetry, and 4 lines of symmetry. Can you guess a figure having infinite lines of symmetry? What is this? This is a circle. Circle is a shape having infinitely many lines of symmetry. It can be folded like this along its diameter. See, it is exactly overlapping. Now another diameter like this. See, again it is overlapping. 1 more line of symmetry. Now like this. See, it is exactly overlapping. Now you can fold it like this. See, it is exactly overlapping. So you can see that you can form infinitely many lines on this circle. Circle is a figure having, see, this is a circle. Now along its center, if this point is the center of the circle, circle can have infinitely many lines of symmetry. We can have 1 line of symmetry like this, 1 line of symmetry like this. So along its diameter, Since circle is having infinitely many diameters, so you can form infinitely many lines of symmetry along its diameter.